everyone, welcome back to another episode of Unthinkable. Today in this video, I will be showing you this Tohatsu 6 horsepower gas motor.
Tohatsu
And this
4-stroke 6 horsepower.
ultra low emission. It's Japanese.
This is actually Makao's new motor because he went from this Minn Kota whatever
55-pound thrust trolling motor. And to give you a sense of how powerful this motor is compared to that, this motor is 0.84 horsepower.
Oh yeah.
And this motor is 6 horsepower. So with this motor on that inflatable boat we showed you later on, it's in the garage right now, and we put it away for the winter. But so with this motor we probably went like say like 5 kilometers per hour at 5:10. This we go 20. This we could go like 22 max kilometers per hour.
Which is pretty fast for just fishing.
So today in this video, I'll be taking a look at this motor here. So as you can see, there's a huge size difference.
Well, this one's bigger up top and like shaft wise.
Yeah.
But the prop on this one is smaller, but it's metal or titanium or whatever.
Metal.
Or no, it's stainless steel, isn't it?
No.
Okay. And then this one is just some plastic old stuff.
This is like plastic. And so this is also the long shaft version. This is a 20-inch long shaft. So now as you can see, like when I used it before, like it was quite we kind of damaged the propeller, so that's why I kind of had to like sand it down here to make it more smooth.
That's the white stuff right there. Wait, focus. Wait, is it on autofocus? Oh, that's why. Holy.
So we kind of sanded it down here because propellers are actually really expensive, like $60 around there, $60 around there, just for this propeller. So that's why like we kind of like sanded it. Also, if you can, I don't know if you can see here, but the dimensions for this, the pitch is 7.8, while the diameter is 8 inches.
Wait, the sun's blocking it.
No, actually no, not the diameter. I think the radius is 8 inches. No, diameter. I keep on getting confused. So the diameter is 8 inches, and then the pitch is 7.8. So for this, this is like the factory installed propeller, with 8-inch diameter. But you can get like a 9-inch diameter. You could fit that here. If you add like an extra inch to that, and you'll also get better performance. You can also increase the pitch, but I'm not too sure if that would increase the performance. So now let's get back to the top. So as you can see here, this is with a tiller, so it folds down like this.
And then that's how you accelerate right here, and then you just push it left and right.
Now so this is the safety lanyard. I'll get back to the standard features later. The only issue I'd say with this is that, as you can see here, unlike the trolling motor, there's no defined speed. Like here, there's speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, speed 4, and
just 5. Turns on.
Like 5, but here there's no defined speed. It's just that this side is faster, and then,
wow.
And then this side is slower.
They used a bunny and a turtle.
Yeah, that's why.
So what he's talking about is this over here.
Like you can shift into different speeds.
1, 2, 3, forward, and then there's reverse on the other side.
Now the only thing is like you just go faster and slower. Like you don't know actually.
Is there reverse on this, or do you have to,
there's reverse. If you go right here. Oh, oops.
There's also a bunch of information here. I don't know if that's important.
Oh, this is like Tohatsu. So this is made in Japan.
Not sponsored.
The throttle range is 5,000 RPM to 6,000 RPM.
And then focus, whatever.
Yeah. So
oh, here's the.
Yeah, here. So you put in reverse and neutral. The only thing is with this, so you don't go like crazy on reverse and damage the motor. There's only like 1, 2, and 3 speed for reverse. But the thing with this is you got to be careful when going in reverse, because you can accidentally go on full speed on reverse, and that's gonna damage your propeller and motor.
Facts. All right, and then this is also the gas tank for the motor.
Here's the gas tank. So I'll tell you in a bit how to connect it. Don't worry, there's no gas in here. But so here's where you connect it, and sadly this unit doesn't have a built-in gas tank. So let me just take this off for you. Yeah, so this unit can only use like an external gas tank. It doesn't have a built-in one, like the newer ones. Then here's your safety lanyard, here's your choke, and here's also like your your warning lamp, so like it tells you if the engine oil is low.
For this motor, if you twist it, does it stay like that, or does it automatically go back?
No, it stays like that.
Okay.
But the tiller handle, I gotta say, does really vibrate. Like it really breaks your arm.
So, okay, if you don't, they probably know what a safety lanyard is, right? If
Yeah,
you don't, so this attached to the...
Yeah, so as long as it's attached, you can start the motor. But if it's not attached, the motor just won't start.
Yeah, so this attaches to like the person who's controlling it, and then if they fall off, the motor just stops.
So if you pull it,
the engine.
then
You can pull it.
if you pull it, everything will shut down. But that's only in safety. Not safety. That's only in emergency situations. To just regularly turn it off, you just press and hold this button here. Again, here's your choke, and then so let me actually take the cover off, and again, I'll get back to
Oh, this is how you start it?
yeah, so it's a manual start, not electric. So this is how you take the cover off. You pull this.
Pull that little knob there.
And then you use this handle, and then voila.
I don't know if you can see it. That's why my camera's good. We're gonna do a review on that soon.
Yeah.
My camera, like the screen flips and whatever, so that's why it's good. So I can just put it like this.
So here's a recoil starter. It was a bit faulty at the start, but then that's when we realized the oil level was too high. So here's where you check the oil level, and right about here, it's very hard to reach, but that's where you can drain the oil, like flush it out. Right there. So yeah. And then also another feature is this has a battery charger. So this can charge a typical 12-volt car battery. As it's running, of course. And yeah, so I got this on Kijiji.
Kijiji.
And this is 2009, like the year it was made in, but it's actually quite new. Yeah. So this is
That doesn't seem that old because nothing's really scratched up.
just only this part, but that's okay. Yeah.
Minor damage. Wait, can I?
So
walk it?
this also requires. So this requires like I'd say like if you go to a typical gas station, like you could put like 91, it would run perfect. Maybe I think 84 wouldn't be as good, but 91 would do. Now I haven't tested with 94 Ultra. What's it called again? Like ultra clean gas 94 octane, but I have a feeling that 91 would be just perfect for this one.
Yeah.
And then as you can see here, this knob adjusts the steering mechanism, like how hard it is. And then it also has a very unusual tilt mechanism. Actually, before I show you, let me just put the cover.
Well, it says right here, tilt up.
No, not that.
Yeah, I know, but it just says up.
So this is how to put it back on. Now come here. So the thing is, you have to get it aligned. So you have to get this hook aligned here, as well as the front aligned. But that's no problem. And then you just put the thing back. You just activate it again, and then that locks in place, and it won't come off.
All right, we're chilling. All right.
Yes.
So what's the tilt
The
mechanism?
exhaust comes here. So the tilt mechanism.
Wait, we need to show the exhaust.
Yeah, here's the exhaust. It's like a nose almost. So here's the tilt mechanism.
You're just
It's
ripping
very
it.
weird. Oh shoot, no, I can't do it because this is not exact. This is just hanging on the motor stand. It's not exactly like.
It's not tight right there.
It's not tightened at all. It's just hanging.
That's like this part right here. That we showed
Sorry
you.
guys, it's not attached. I'll probably do it next summer. Then I can actually show you how to start the.
What if we go on the boat? I could bring my GoPro and we can just use that. So we're not
That's
using our
next year.
cameras. Yeah.
So now let me show you finally. I hope you're excited how to connect the gas tank. So here, if you don't know, well, it's obvious. And 1 second, this is just tangled.
We should name our videos like how to use the Tohatsu. Or whatever it's-
Tohatsu.
Tohatsu.
So Tohatsu, if you're wondering, is just Nissan Marine. Actually, let me leave it like this. So you basically line
Wait,
it up
show me the inside of that.
So it's like this. So this gold part here actually goes with here. So that's where the fuel goes. I'm not sure about this part, but so that's how you do it. You got to be careful because you see fuel is already leaking. So actually, no, that's not safe. Let me actually get some gloves.
Do you have a cloth or a towel or something?
What?
Yeah, do you have a cloth or towel?
No, but let me just get like safety gloves. Like,
You're just in the corner. We're not showing him because his trailer's in the garage and he's just walking on it.
it's the only way to get around because the trailer literally
Look at those
fits.
gloves. Oh my god. All right.
Okay, so as you can see, fuel is already leaking here. So this is how you do it. So you just push it in all the way. Oh, whoops. Other way.
And break it.
Just push it in like
Oh.
that. Oh, shoot. Oh, no.
It's not gonna work, McCall.
But yeah, so that's how you do it. And
Oh,
then
it smells like gas.
yeah, and then to release it, you just pull like that. And fuel is already leaking. Yeah, let me get a cloth.
Do you have one of those like little rags or whatever?
I just
Yeah.
picked one from the floor. So let me clean this up.
No, just
That should do. I just hope I don't forget and use this for something else again. Like wiping my hands or something. Oh, I got it in the wood.
big yikes.
Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So that's how you connect it. And yeah, so then with this gas tank, it comes included in with a gauge and everything. And then also, I forgot to tell you, when you connect it, you also gotta pump the fuel. Now, right now it's quite hard. I don't know what's inside.
Air, McCall.
Probably.
Air.
But it's like so hard. Anyway, so you pump the primer bulb until it's like sort of hard to do it. So, now let me put this back again. There we go. So yeah, so that's basically this Tohatsu 6 horsepower motor. And yeah. That's pretty much it actually. So,
Alright.
yeah, so by the way, so for storing this, you can either store it upright like this. That's actually the best way to store it. You store it upright like this. But if you're saying like this is a portable motor, so if you have like a kayak or something and you want to use this motor for it.
You're gonna use
Well,
no.
okay, not on a kayak, but like on a smaller boat, like even like the inflatable boat. You're not gonna keep it on forever like a regular boat, so you want to store it like on your way to the lake or something. So you actually fold this in, and then there's also a label here saying this side up. So you tilt it, so you lay it down on this side, the tiller side. Here,
Okay.
and that's how you store it. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Okay, this son, go over here. Go ahead. Beep. Okay, take
Yeah,
two. Alright.
Okay, well, yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you like the 6 horsepower motor.
Like
Bye.
and subscribe, please.
Like and subscribe, yeah.